It's Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing video. This time we have the Aviation 400 Cathay Pacific A350-900. Now, I've got two A350-1000s, but I don't have the A350. I didn't have the A350-900, so this popped up on Waffle Collectibles, and I snagged it right away. Super excited to have this model. Let's get right into it. So Aviation 400, obviously really good in terms of their A350 molds. So here you have the box from Aviation 400 at the back and whatnot. So let's get right into it. The registration on this should be Bravo Lima Quebec Delta. Let's get her open. Does come with a little stand. Let's fix the box here. Here's the model, looking really nice. Just trying to build up the Cathay Pacific fleet as they send a variety of aircraft to LA. The 777, 300ER, the A350-1000, and now the A350-900 has made an appearance several times. So yeah, here we go, looking really nice, super excited. Let's just pull this out there. Looking awesome. Alright, let's move that to the side. Here we have it. Adjust the camera, get right on into it. So there we have it, the Cathay Pacific A350-900. Let's get started. Camera 1 second, there we go. Alright, got the nose looking really nice here. The A350 mold for Aviation 400 is pretty damn good. This cockpit nose is pretty nice. Got some good detail all around the nose cone here. And gears looking pretty good. You got the L1 door looking really nice. Some good detail on that. Cathay Pacific titles, got the little beacon light and the antenna at the top there looking really nice. Got the beacon, or sorry, the antenna down below as well. L2 door there. Got the Rolls-Royce engines looking really nice. You can see they're kind of hollow, which is cool. Yeah, looking at the wings, moving over. Wings looking really nice. As you can see on the inside of the winglet there is a Cathay Pacific, the little logo. Wings looking really nice too. That nose view. Just moving along, got the top antenna there, L3 door, the back. Oh, actually the registration is LR Lima Romeo Tango. Not sure why it says Bravo Lima Quebec Delta on the box and the picture, but we have Bravo Lima Romeo Tango. Got the bulk bin door right there. L4 door, you got Swire and that little flag right up at the top there. Got a Cathay Pacific logo here in the tail, looking really nice. And just kind of moving along, spinning it around the nose cone, or sorry, the tail cone area. The tail looking really nice, pretty accurate and everything. Good detail. At the back, looks like there's a piece of a little tiny antenna there. You got the Wi-Fi dome there. The antennas at the back. Got the baggage or cargo compartment at the back here, and move it along. Same thing on this side. Got the forward cargo compartment. Main landing gear looking really good too. We'll zoom out here, take a look at the underneath. Got the registration on the wing there. Nothing on the top, but just in the bottom there. And the underneath looking really nice. Good detail and everything. And the gears looking really nice as well. They do not, they do tilt a little bit, but and they do roll. So pretty nice. Very nice model. Pretty sure this is really hard to get, but if you can, I'm not sure what that was. A little piece of something. Oh yeah, and the beacon on the bottom, right there as well. I'm not sure where you would be able to get this. If you can find it, highly recommend it. It's a great model. Aviation 400 always does a really good job with their models. Their A350 is probably one of the top ones in my opinion. Color looks really good on this too and everything. Got that green, little turquoise-ish, got the white, and then the bottom slightly like an off-white. I'm not exactly sure what the exact name of the color would be, but yeah, overall great detail and everything. It just looks like the engine's just slightly tilted up there on that one, but no big deal. Overall, a really nice model. Highly recommend it. And yeah, there's not a whole lot more to talk about with this model. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this short review, unboxing review, and stay tuned for more model unboxing videos as well as plane spotting videos, etc. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.